In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about Twitch clips. How you can make them, where you can find them, how you can edit them, how you can download them, where you can make a comment with them, and everything you need to know about Twitch clips. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Seem smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Feel free to hop in and ask anything about streaming. Okay, the first thing I want to do is show you guys where you can find clips that have been made. Go to your own Twitch channel by going to the top here and click on channel. Or just go to twitch.tv/yourname. And here we go to videos, click on featured, and then click on clips. We can select multiple clips like all time, and we can see all the clips that have been made on my channel. If you want to delete or edit them, what we can do is go here, and then creator dashboard or video producer. Video producer is more direct, but you can get there from the creator dashboard as well by just going on video producer and then you're here as well. Then we can go to clips, and here we go to clips of my channel. These are all the clips that have been made on your channel. We can just click on them and just view them. Let me mute this for a sec. We can just view them and see what happens in them. And we can see a little bit information about like how many views and stuff like that. We can mass edit them by just clicking on multiple and then delete multiple clips. Edit all of them and then delete them all at the same time. But if we want to download them, we can click on them, click on the Twitch icon, and now we get to the actual clip page. And here we see a download button. If we click on that, it starts downloading. We can save it. And now for Firefox, it will start opening here. And for Chrome, it will be here in the bottom. But as you see, this is how you actually download one. This is also where you can see who clipped it. So beautifully hateful here, clip this clip. For some reason, you can't actually see that in the dashboard here. It would have been nice if that was one of the stats displayed in here, but sadly enough, it isn't. So you can also clip from your own highlights or from your own already streams. So let's go to this stream. Watch. And we can just go, let's go to the middle of it. I don't care where, we're just gonna clip something. So I'm doing this, and now here, if you hover over it, you see this clip icon. You can do this with live streams as well, that's how you clip. You hover over the player and click on the clip icon. You need to wait a little bit until the thing that you want to clip is fully over. If it's not fully over, you can't clip because this is like the present. And if you click too early, the present is gonna be here, and there's more things you wanna clip right here, which you can't. Then you have this box of 30 seconds that you can move, and you can extend them up to 60 seconds, and you can distract them up to 5 seconds. So it needs to be at least a 5-second clip and max a 60-second clip. Here you see which part is clipped in the yellow. 90 seconds is the part that you can work with, so if you wait a little bit, but don't wait too long because you don't want to wait longer than 60 minutes, as 60 minutes is the max amount you can clip. And here you can write a title, so let's say test, and then publish, and now it's publishing and we need to wait until this is actually done with loading, which takes quite a bit. Now we can just copy this link and we can share it on social media or download it. If you want to download it, click on the download button. If you're not an editor or the streamer itself, you can't actually download it. If you want people to be able to download it, make them editors on your channel. If you want to know how to do that, I got a video about it right here. The only thing you need to be really careful with is Twitch has 24-hour exclusivity. What this means is that you cannot post your clips on any social media, on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, anything, within 24 hours. So you need to wait 24 hours since your stream before you actually post it on social media, because otherwise it's against the Twitch affiliate guidelines. If you're not a Twitch affiliate yet though, it's fine. You're fine. You can delete them here by going to clips, my clips, and we can just delete this one that we just made. Delete. Now it's successfully deleted. So everybody can clip, but only you and editors can download clips. If you want to make clips with a clip command, I got videos about that as well. You can use bots to make a clip command and it will automatically clip the last 30 seconds if you like that. That's actually super simple, and if you want to know more about clips, just leave it down in the comments below and I will answer your questions. And let's jump into this video that YouTube thinks you would like. See you there!